Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and my name is Siri and welcome back to another video. Super excited and this is going to be one of my special videos because I am thrilled to announce this to all of you that yes, I am coming up with my own workshop on 2nd of February 2025. I can't tell you how many comments I've received in the past asking me about, are you going to start your online classes? Is there any workshop that we can join? But I took my sweet time to just figure out everything, to curate this for all of you. So but now I can tell you that yes, I am coming up with a workshop on 2nd of February from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. and this workshop is going to be the ultimate English workshop where we are going to talk a lot about English. If you are someone who is willing to start your journey, if you are someone who is in your journey, this workshop is going to be a one-stop solution where it is going to give you every possible solution that you need as an English learner. And this is of course going to be very close to my heart. In all my videos, I've never taught you English just as a subject. I've always taught you English as a language, and I don't even consider myself to be an English teacher because I've always wanted to be like that well-wisher, that elder sister for all of you, where you can reach out to me about your problems and I can solve them for all of you. The same intention will be carried in the workshop as well, because even in that workshop I just wanted to be candid and real, and it's a live workshop. It's not like it's already pre-recorded and you get the video. No, I'm going to sit there at that moment and I'm going to talk to all of you. And yes, this workshop comes at a price. This workshop is priced at rupees 99, only 99. It does not cost you more than a pizza or a burger. So that's why I'm telling you, register yourself right now by clicking the link. And you are going to experience a workshop for 2 hours, which is definitely going to add some value. One thing I can promise you in this workshop is definitely there is going to be some kind of value that I will be providing to you through this workshop. I'm going to put my sweat and blood into it, where I will take you all through a lot of insights that I have learned through my journey, a lot of secrets that really helped me to be fluent in English. I'm going to take you all through that because I completely understand what kind of struggles you go through as an English learner. It could be a very simple thing, like it could sound very simple. What is such a big deal to learn English? No, there are so many struggles that you go through as someone who is not from an English medium background, where you are struggling to speak in English, where you're struggling to frame sentences, where you are just scared to even speak in English. I completely understand all of that. And to solve all of that, I've decided that yes, I need to come up with a workshop. And that is when I started to work upon it. And finally, now I can tell you that the workshop is going to be there on 2nd of February. So I would recommend you all, please take part in this workshop. Or 2 hours, just 2 hours on your Sunday is definitely going to add some value to your life. It's definitely going to show you a beautiful way that you can follow in order to be fluent in English, because in the market there's so much of content available, because of which it's very obvious that we will get confused in the journey. But after this workshop, I can promise you that you are going to find your way to be fluent in English. You're going to find a beautiful way that you are going to follow to be fluent in English. This workshop is going to show you that way. So make sure you register yourself right now before the final day. The final day of the registrations is on 31st of January, which is day after tomorrow. So make sure you register yourself for this workshop by clicking the link. Register yourself itself the meeting link will be provided to your mail, and on 2nd of February you're supposed to join the meeting through that mail. So this is the information about the workshop. Let me just sum it up again. The workshop is on 2nd of February from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. and the price of the workshop is of course 99 rupees, and the meeting link will be sent to your email once you register yourself. So make sure you register yourself right now to take a part of these beautiful 2 hours where we are only going to talk a lot about English, where I'm going to take you all through a lot of insights and secrets that are really going to help you to be fluent in English. I just hope everything goes well, because even this is my first time. I've never taken any sort of online classes before. I've always wanted to, but I was just waiting for the right time, and I thought this is the right time for me to actually do it. So make sure to register yourself without fail. I'll be waiting for you guys, because I know you guys have asked me number of times about online class and workshops. That's the reason I was like, let's do it. चलो, एक वर्कशॉप तो बनता है आपको मदद करने के लिए. Why I'm making this video is, of course, I cannot explain everything in the form of shorts. I was like, एक video तो बनता है workshop के लिए. So that's why I have decided that yes, I need to make a sit and talk video only about workshop, where you get to know every detail about it. So yes, this is about the workshop. So day after tomorrow is going to be the last day of the registrations. So make sure you register yourself before that day ends. So yeah, that's all I would like to tell you all. I hope you are going to join the workshop. I hope everything is gonna go well. Fingers crossed. I hope we're gonna rock this workshop, and I hope all of you are gonna take part in this workshop. I'm just waiting for all of you over there. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope we do more workshops in the future as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys are going to really take a part, and wish me luck. uh, that's it for this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you please take care. I will see you soon. Bye.